Hey guys, welcome back to another Pokemon trading card game, card pack openings. We got, this is number 4, and we got a Destined's Rivalry pack. Here's a Pokemon Live thing. We got Relore, Team Rocket's Grimer, oh, I finally got Team Rocket's Houndour, because I think I had Team Rocket's evolution of this, but I never got the basic, so that's cool. Misty's Magikarp. This is Medicham. Oh, another Misty's. This is Misty's Psyduck. A Team Rocket's Brotherbot. Ethan Cyndaquil, holographic. Holographic TM Machine. Holographic Team Rocket's Zapdos. And this, ow. Uh, Psychic Energy. So that was a lot of Team Rocket stuff. I don't know what that says about me if I'm a Team Rocket member. Last time I checked, I wasn't. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.